How to change signature on Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To change a signature on Outlook, first and foremost, launch your Outlook application in your mobile device. Over here, make sure that you are logged in. Then in your left hand corner, you will see a user icon, click on it. After that, tap on your setting gear option. Under Quick Settings, navigate to Signatures. To change to a new signature, firstly remove the existing one, then go ahead and type in the new signature. To save it, tap on the tick mark icon. After that, you can go ahead and check out if the signature has been changed. In order to do so, click on the new mail icon. Over here, as you can see, the signature has been changed to the new signature that I have updated recently. Isn't it simple? If you cannot do this process, you have some of the cache built up in your application. In order to fix it, you can head back from your app, press and hold on to it, then go to App Info. Tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This should solve any of the issue. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.